The Stormguard Rain Deflector is an easy-to-fit solution that deflects water away from the bottom of the door to prevent it from entering the property. It is low maintenance, and unlike a traditional wooden weatherboard, it does not require painting. You will need white spirit, a tape measure, marker, pencil, hacksaw, bradawl, drill, a screwdriver, and waterproof clear silicone adhesive. Using white spirit, make sure all surfaces are clean and free from dust, dirt, and grease. Allow to dry completely before fitting. Step 1. Cut to size. With the door open, measure the distance between the door frames. Use your measurement to find the desired width. Cut an extra 3 mm off the hinge side and an extra 5 mm off the latch side to allow for the end caps and to prevent the rain deflector from catching on the door when closing. Ensuring you keep the screw holes central, measure out the calculated width and mark it out. You may need to slightly pull back the protective tape on each side, but do not remove it completely at this stage. Cut to size using a hacksaw. Step 2. Installation. Position the rain deflector on the door to check that it fits correctly before the next stage. Once happy with the fit, use sandpaper to remove any burrs from the edges. Place the end caps on each side to protect from sharp edges. With the door closed, measure 72 mm up from the threshold and place a mark. Position the rain deflector on the door with the top aligned with your mark. Mark the screw holes using a marker or pencil. Before fitting, it is advisable to make small pilot holes with a bradawl to facilitate easy entry of the screws. Drill the screw holes using a 2 mm drill bit. We recommend screwing the rain deflectors into position to check the fit before sealing. Once you are confident the positioning is correct, remove the rain deflector from the door. Wipe the surface again to remove any dust. Apply a waterproof clear silicone adhesive to the grooves on the back of the rain deflector. Screw the deflector back into position on the door. Finally, remove the protective tape. Please note, for outward opening doors, measure 9 mm on the hinge side and 2 mm on the latch side so it fits flush with the door, with the end cap on. Consider using a door stop to stop the door swinging open.